In this video, I will cover the differences between Lean and Six Sigma. Don't forget to stick around to the end when I also share the similarities between the two. Hi, I'm Luca. Welcome to this channel where I share weekly videos about Lean Six Sigma and how it can improve both your professional and personal life. If you're new here and want to keep learning more about Lean Six Sigma, please click the red subscribe button and little bell below so you get notified as soon as new content is uploaded. Lean is about process capacity, whereas Six Sigma is about process capability. When we go back to the Lean side, we look at reducing process waste and cycle times, whereas Six Sigma really looks at reducing process variation and defects. Lean looks to create flow between processes, while Six Sigma focuses on improving process yield. Lean utilizes simple root cause analysis techniques, while Six Sigma utilizes statistical theory and modeling. If you like this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave a comment below. Now, what are the similarities between the two? They both focus on voice of the customer, they improve cost, quality, and productivity, fosters a culture of continuous improvement, and fosters human employee engagement, humility, and mutual respect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out more of my videos about Lean Six Sigma here.